Hi, I'm Justin with Access Unlimited, and today I'm going to go over an Easy-Stow MI in a 2011 to 2017 generation Honda Odyssey. This Easy-Stow MI was built specifically for Kaye products walker. This is a W4 HSX model, and it's a posture rest walker with a built-in seat. And big thanks to Kaye Products for helping us out with the ability to use their products and developing this equipment. So with this, you've got a lot of different adjustments that can be used to change the settings. Most of these are going to be pre-adjusted from the factory here. So we got our pendant right up in here on the front. Bring this up and in. The positioning of the walker is kind of important because it does come close to this corner up here. So when it brings it up and in, you see it sets it right down in there. Close the door just fine. Yeah, just plenty of clearance over here, a little bit up there. This is operated by a strap with a motor back there and a gas strut spring. Notice we've got our emergency lever here. That is used to release the walker and also to hook it up. On this walker here, this one specifically has wheels on all four. It's got casters on all of them. These ones still maintain the casters on the outside. Depending on whether or not it's possible for you, they may be able to be flipped in if you need the extra room. All the everything, the way this is bolted down is all using factory bolt locations. We use U-bolts on the original seat bolt bars. Here's you got the gas strut that we talked about earlier, and of course the motor there, which is a 12-volt motor powered by the vehicle's battery. This also bolts into the front seat here with the factory bolts. Those are just taken out, and then this is put in place, and those are rebolted right back down. So when he's not a chair, this easily just stows right back in. And whether the chair's on it or not, you still have full access to that seat. You have full access to the seats in the back. And the seat, when the walker is in here, it also doesn't impact the ability to use any of those seats either. Alright, and thanks for checking out our video. Again, this is an Easy-Stow MI for a 2011 to a 2017 Honda Odyssey, made specifically for the Kaye Posture Rest Walker with a built-in seat. The model number is W4 HSX, and this is made by Kaye Products. And thank you again to Kaye Products for helping us out with that.